Hello, Randy here, and I have two TOMY Don't Bite the Pavement games. Now, I've already done the Kongman, which is the same game, just themed different. But the Kongman's way more common than the Don't Bite the Pavement. Neither one of these games are complete. Both of them are missing the same thing I see all of them missing, and it's this little balloon doohickey up here. It's just decoration. You don't actually need it to play the game, but I did recreate it, so I can make that. But only one of them has the top piece, and that is needed to play the game. So my first thought was I can model it out and 3D print it. But then I thought, no, I can probably just mold it and cast it in plastic faster. There's this rivet here holding this magnet in, and I didn't want to undo that rivet. So then I had the idea, just cast it like it is and then just drill it out. But then I got to looking for magnets. It's impossible to find a ceramic magnet that size, especially with a hole in the center of it. So I went back to modeling it and 3D printing it. I decided to just go with a neodymium magnet and just embed it inside the plastic and just achieve the same magnetism. I think I'm pretty close. And the only other piece that's missing on both of them is the little cardboard piece on top. That's the same picture as the one on the front, so I think I can recreate that. But I only want one of these, and the other one's going on eBay, so let me get started. The thing came out in 1982. You got the bright dayglow colors. You got the guys on the skateboard. You know what that means. This is rad. But this one has noise inside of it. I see what's rattling around. Junk. That's plastic. Okay. That's the piece that moves the ball up and down. So I think this guy comes off first. And I noticed the other one is doing this. This can come undone like that. And so it needs to be locked in there. And the other one I noticed is not locked in there. That's just to keep kids from breaking the thing. So it unsnaps right there instead of breaking plastic. Well, that gear's cracked. Oh, here's another little boulder. If you know where those are from. Now, this right here, it gets hooked on right here. So as this goes up, that moves. And there's a magnet here. So don't lose the magnet. This guy can come out. And that's the part that's missing the piece. This goes here. And I just guess I've never seen this piece before, so I'm just guessing that's what it is. But this is the part that you hit to make the ball go up. And this little section right here, when the ball returns, it actually comes through here. That's, for some reason, I like that. This is the bridges. Don't really need to take that off. This is next, so that's gotta go, I know. This one, at least. There we are. And a little Lego piece. This is the staircase. Alright, I got 4 boulders and a Lego piece. Oh, jeez. And the wrong size ball. That's a heavy ball. I don't know where in the world that came from. Guess it was stuck on there somewhere. But yeah, that's not the right size ball. Let's have a look-see inside here. This guy. But that one has to go underneath here. I see a lot of cracks starting to form. Yep, on that one, on that one. Well, that one's gone. I've got bags and bags and bags of gears. And none of them that I have are the right size. They're either slightly a hair bigger or they're slightly smaller. So there's not much I can do. At least melt it back. These are the motors that are very hard to get open, that I don't even try. I just take some oil and squirt it down in there and get a 9-volt. That rejuvenates it, at least. Here's a tin tooth. This one was my worst one, but I just kind of eased it here. It's all being held down here. Yes, best way. Put that in. Alright, everything's clean. Put that in then. Give it a little graphite. This peg has to go in that slot. Yep, that's in. This piece comes up there. It goes there. There's this piece with the magnet. I'm going to put a little graphite up here as well. Before I go any farther, though, this has to be taken care of. And this is cracked. So I have this guy. So it's going to have to be drilled out. I put graphite everywhere. Move, this doesn't matter, but move the drawbridge all the way up. Move the balloon up. Move the magnet all the way up. This goes in here. And so you can do that. This has to go here. That goes over there. And then that goes in that notch. ball drops down here, dings, comes here, drops through here, comes down to here. This one looks in good shape here. I do have this one though. I'm sure this one's gone. Work this motor. I've got these neon paints, but they dry darker than they are. And it's really not quite neon. It's like a pale neon. Alright, here's my recreation. I just pulled faces off of the box. It kind of looks like the right one. And if you look at this, it's got to be pretty thin to get in there. And so this one's different than on my Kong. On the Kongman, it's this thick board here. If I tried to put this into this one, I couldn't get that in there. So whatever the Bite the Pavement one is, it's not cardboard like this. It's paper, I guess. Oh, look, too, I just discovered that. One says Japan, the other one doesn't say anything. So my thought is, I printed out this and fold it where it matches up. If I put spray adhesive all over that, spray adhesive all over this thicker paper, put it there, smashed them all together, and then put a clear laminate over the top, that should be about right. I'm also going to use spray adhesive to put these on. I actually like that. There. So there it is, 2 working TOMY Don't Bite the Pavement games. This one is on eBay, the one that is mostly complete. The only recreation is the little top piece and the little balloon piece. All the working pieces, they're all original. The box is in, well, not in great shape, but it's in decent shape. And I'll include some balls with it as well. I have a whole bag full of them. Anyway, that one is on eBay right now. I'm keeping the other one because I have an original Kongman, which is the same game. So if you like this game and you want to help out the channel, go put a bid down on eBay. But you want to see it in action? Here it is. So there you go. If you want this one, it's on eBay right now. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you the Don't Bite the Pavement. And I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, there are perks and there are stuff like early videos without ads and all that stuff. Anyway, go check it out. Thanks for watching and don't bite the pavement.